Good morning, good morning. I'm in another place. Good morning. I'm back on the ocean. I left Mexico City. I came here yesterday night. And then, okay, whoever travels out there, whoever is a digital nomad, whoever is traveling the world, don't ever book with Agoda. Seriously, that company is the worst ever. So they made 2 bookings in my name. I'm only one person. And then instead of having 1 room, they put me into the dome with a lot of guys, which was in the middle of the night at 12 o'clock, a shock. But then in the morning when I woke up, they were very nice, quiet and calm, and I was like, okay, cool. That's nice for a change. But I want to talk about something else, but maybe it's related, because I stayed calm, and then I was like, okay, I know how it feels when all of a sudden you're somewhere and then people get really loud, and through their noise and through their behavior, they're getting attention, and somehow they're trying to infiltrate your aura, or you call it energetic space, right? I'm sure you know of that. Or maybe you know some people and then they're your friends or family, and then they always have this, whatever they do, it's like you feel like they're trying to get to you, or they're trying to take something from you, and you can feel those, your aura is not stable, and you feel unprotected even though you have a very strong energy. Let me explain to you what's going on. Now, there's a technique I created myself, and someone said, Agatha, why don't you fix the aura from inside? And I used to do that, and I've totally forgotten about it. Sometimes we do things which are good for us, and then all of a sudden when we get off track, we forget what we're supposed to do, okay? So when we do get psychic attacks, it only happens not because there's this very bad, dark, magic or evil person. No, it's because that person is triggering something in you. It's connecting with you and is able to reach your aura and your space and your source and your the essence of you. Why? Because you and them are radiating something. Let's say you have self-worth issues, okay? You don't believe that you can do anything you want, but you're good in everything else. So all of a sudden this person comes who has the same thing, and all of a sudden they have the self-worth issues, but they also can do anything they want, but people admire them. So in a way you see that, and you wish you could, maybe consciously or unconsciously or subconsciously, in whatever consciousness, you know, wow, there's something you really admire about that person. But that person, what it does is, there's some energy vampires, and yeah, there are good and bad people, because there are people who want to take from others and they don't care about others. And real see people, they do care about people. They want the world to be a better place. Hi Chanel B, hi Natalia. So what you can do is, when you feel that the person is pulling energy from you, ask yourself, what is the past life karmic relationship, okay, which you need to sort out. If you have done that and still it's not getting better, you feel infiltrated, you feel your aura is open, okay, do one thing. Go a lot in nature, okay, go a lot in nature. Connect with the water, connect with the trees, connect with soil, connect with the sun. And then visualize, you close your eyes and visualize and see your aura. See the aura, if it's open or closed, if there's a hole, if there's a gap, if there's something, a cut. And if you can see it and feel it, close it from inside. And what you can do is, you use all the rainbow colors. Start with the color red or maybe yellow or whatever comes to your mind. And make the space big enough that you feel comfortable for yourself being in your aura. And then there are different layers. So please go through, you can Google it, you know, Google the layers of the aura. Then use the colors, use crystals, use platinum, use gold or silver, whatever you need. Fix it with your own source energy. Go from your heart, take the energy, ask Mother Earth and Father Heaven, and place, it's like you're having a wall and there's a hole. So just me imagining here, this is my aura, there's a hole. So I take the color yellow and then I just put the hole and I put the color yellow, and then you will feel that the aura starts closing. And when you feel the aura starts closing, program yourself and the aura that it's always giving you the space you need, but blocking it from people who are unwanted and who are not in your highest good, okay? That's so important. So please try that. Let me know if that works. You can also make it sparkly, crystalline. You can make it the way you like it, because you know the best how your aura looks like, okay? Don't ask other people. So this is something which really helped me a lot. And there's so many other things you can do. But this is something I can really suggest doing, because it's always you in the end of the day. Of course, if you need help, I will be there to help you. I do sessions. I do work with starseeds. I do starseed activation and healer activation. And sometimes it's just be creative. Whatever comes to your mind, stand on your own feet. You can do it. And what you also can do is create mirrorings. You take a mirror, but it's not looking towards you, it's looking outward. So the person who's trying to enter your aura will see themselves. So it's like a reflection. It pushes them away, okay? Because no one wants to see their own ugliness, right? So you put that mirror around in your aura, all around you. You can even put it in your room or around your house. And then you tell the energy frequencies to push all the people away which are not coming in your favor, and the people who are coming in your favor and are good for you and nice can stay and talk to you, who are respectful. So please, and the last thing, which is most important of all, when you feel that someone is creepy, say no right from the beginning. Don't try to be nice, don't try to give them a chance, just try to listen to yourself right away. Okay, I think this is the biggest problem all of us have, that we always want to be nice, we always think the best of people, but some people are just not good for us. So if you feel that, stay away and tell them to bugger off. That's it. Go your own way, even if it's, you feel like, how can I do this? How can I leave the group? But you know what? Maybe you're not supposed to walk into that direction. Maybe you're supposed to walk your own path, and that is a different direction. And I've noticed it. I was supposed to travel with a group, and then they decided to go somewhere else. But in my heart, I was like, hey, I wanted to go somewhere else. I changed my whole entire plan, and then this whole thing happened. And I was like, oh my God, Agatha. All this what happened, that I felt attacked, was just that I go back on my track, that I go on the place, on the track I'm supposed to be, and that is here, on the ocean, and soon somewhere else. I love you guys. Bye. And please, always if you have questions, write it here, then I can make some more videos, okay? And if you give some comments, it would be awesome. And please don't try to lecture me, okay? Yesterday someone was trying to lecture me. I don't need that. You can create your own channel, then you can lecture the people you want to lecture, okay? I'm here to give tips so that people can stay in their own power. Bye.